Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I decided to do a Valentine's Day themed makeup tutorial, and I used the Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette. And the first shade that I used was the color Caution, and I put that right underneath my eyebrow bone. And next I applied the shade Young Love all over my lid. And next I used the shade Devilish right above the color Young Love. And then right above that I used the shade Beam to kind of blend out the shade Devilish. And then I noticed that both of those colors looked very similar, so I went in with the color Privacy to kind of make the color Devilish a little bit darker. And then right above that color Bing, I applied the color Feels. And then on my bottom lash line, I went ahead and applied the color Feels as well. And then for my lips, I used the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream, and I used the shade 26 and Adorable. And that's all for this look, guys. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, share, and subscribe.